All right, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray News on Facebook, also known as Mr. Silver Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm just making another video of my 52-inch antique brass Hampton-based St. Clarington ceiling fan. Now, St. Clarington is the name that I got from Jack Williamson when it's a Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan motor with the blade set that came off of a Hampton-based Huntington ceiling fan. So he kind of combined the name from St. Clair and Huntington and just came up with his own word, which is St. Clarington. So that's the name that I got from him. Now, the reason why I'm referring to this fan as the St. Clarington because it's a Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan motor with the blade brackets that came off of the Hampton-based Huntington 2 ceiling fan and the blade set that came off the Hampton-based Huntington 3 ceiling fan. So that's why I'm calling this fan the Hampton-based St. Clarington. So this time I'm just doing a video of this fan showing with the factory speeds, which is the pull chain speeds. So other than that, I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan starting off with high. I usually do low, medium, and high. But I'm just demonstrating the ceiling fan based from how I used to demonstrate ceiling fans back then when my YouTube username used to be I Love You Pooh Bear 97 back then. Before I changed my username to Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999. So this is high speed. And it is wobbling, like I said in my other video, this fan. Then I'm about to go on and put it on medium. Well, it doesn't wobble that bad on medium. It's still putting out a decent amount of air on medium with these blades on here. Yeah, but I kind of like how a Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan look with the Hampton-based Huntington 2 or the Hampton-based Huntington 3 ceiling fan blade set and shown without a light kit. I kind of like that combination on these fans better. Then I'm about to go on and put it on low. This is low speed, huh? Yeah, so this fan, it looks more like a Casablanca Victorian, because that's what this ceiling fan reminds me of, due to the fact that I'm using bleached cherry blades on the antique brass ceiling fan. So it kind of reminds, so actually it really reminds me of a Casablanca Victorian. But the canopy that the ceiling fan is using, it also reminds me of a Gulf Coast Renaissance ceiling fan, which is a copy of a Casablanca Victorian ceiling fan. But other than that, I'm about to go on and run it just for a little bit on low speed. And then after that, then I'll go on and turn it on fan off. And matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on fan off right now. So other than that, I'm about to go on and end this video right here. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I am out.